took a harder hit than I thought it was gonna.
I told you it would.
Let's get the other side.
Oh, that's not good.
Oh. You made a hill. Oh! I think it brought the engine.
Oh yeah, I knew you were going to dig out the ground.
Oh, that's soft.
I knew you were going to dig out the ground.
You know, that was...
Kids, get out of there.
That was very, very soft hit. I really didn't feel much.
Until you hit the roof?
No, the whole thing was soft.
Oh well.